They were here 30 seconds ago.
Calling upon nature's strength.
Just, yep, they're up here, they're up here.
Thermite grenade set. Load out gun. Flag grenade set.
On me.
Tango down.
Got one, got one, got one.
Strong work. Finish the last of that enemy's force.
Nice.
Bless me with sight.
On me, on me. On me. Oh, fuck, I fucked up.
Taking a moment to reflect.
Hopping up, hopping up.
Down to target. Reloading.
No, I'm going in. I killed the guy you got.
An enemy's life.
You're good, you're good.
You've been hitting them. Taking fire.
Take him, take him, take him, take him. He's running, he's running. I'm going outside, I'm going outside. Going outside. No, come to me, come to me. I hit him for a lot. He's right out here. I'm coming to you, I'm coming back to you. You can even pick me up, I think. No, no, no. Nice, bro. Nice. Nice. Very nice.
Care package touching down. They usually carry rare platforms.
They usually carry rare. Fuck yourself.
Marking our surroundings. Marking our surroundings.
On top.
New kill leader. They're getting cocky, they're getting sloppy.
Got him.
Only one squad left. It's gonna get loud.
I killed the kill leader. Well, go fuck yourself.
I'm the kill leader.
Hey, how about you go fuck yourself, motherfucker? We need to get in the zone. Oh, I'm down, I'm down. I'm fucked. God damn it. I'm coming to you. Somebody's on us. Come and get me. Come and get me right here. Right here, right here. I'm right here. Somebody's on you. Fuck. God damn it. I'm gonna try to heal. I'm gonna try to heal. I'm healing, I'm healing, I'm healing. I'm healing. We're good. We're good.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
They're on us. They're on us somewhere. 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Right on us. Right on us. Right on us. They're right on us.
Scanning the area.
Right here, right here. Got him! Let's fucking go, baby! You little bitch! My fucking scanner didn't pick her up, bro! Woo! Right?
You are the Apex
Yep,
champions.
yep. That's the way we do it. Save. Oh, we did so good. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's get another one. Let's get it up.